Welcome to Mod.io. In this video, I'll teach you how you can create your first Mod.io game and publish it on our website. First, you'll have to have an account registered in Mod.io, and you'll need to verify your email. Once that's done, click on Make Game button on our homepage, and then click on Create New Game button. A window will pop up, and you'll see a gallery of game templates that you can choose from. Before choosing which template to use, click on Preview button to see how they work. For example, this is what Racer template looks like. Also, this is what Hunt and Gather template looks like. Take your time to browse through different templates. Once you have decided which template to use, click on Use this template button below to create your first game. But for this tutorial video, we're going to use blank template. Now your game has been created, and you can test your game by clicking on Play Game button. You can also invite your friends to play with you by sharing this link. Now, let's close this window and edit your game. There are four main places where you can customize your game: map, environment, scripts, and settings. I'll go through them in detail in the following tutorial videos. But first, let's change how your main unit looks like. Click on the Environment tab. Then, click on the unit. Then, click on Change Cell Sheet link. You're going to see the asset library where you can choose your unit's asset. Let's choose Human Circle. Alright. Also, let's change the game's name by clicking on the name. We'll call it a Team Battle. To see the changes in your live game, we have to republish the game. Click on Publish button to republish your game. When you refresh your webpage, you'll see the updated changes in your game. And that's it. Now you know how to create and publish your game. In our next tutorial video, we'll talk about how to allow units to attack each other. I'll be posting more tutorial videos, so if you'd like to be notified, please subscribe to my channel and enable notification. Also, leave your comment below and I'll be sure to read them. Thanks!